Hi, and welcome back to our next episode on positive parenting. Today, we are going to discuss the three important factors that stop your child from becoming successful. Hi, my name is Prabha, and I'm a certified career counselor. In the last 10 years, I have helped hundreds of students in identifying their right career path so that they are happy in what they are doing and can become successful in a short span of time. Fear is the first factor which stops a student from becoming successful. There are various kinds of fear, and a student who has developed fear from a young age will find it difficult to succeed in his life in later years. Fear will stop a person from doing what they are otherwise capable of doing. A highly emotional student cannot be happy in whatever he or she is doing. Yes, it is very important to know how to handle your emotions, be it in school, college, or in the corporate world. Lack of motivation cannot get your child anywhere, no matter how capable they are. Yes, motivation is an important factor which drives a person to perform. And if your child lacks motivation, they will not be able to get anywhere in their career. I hope it is now clear what stops a student from becoming successful. Let us understand how to overcome these negatives so that the student is able to achieve success in our next video. Until then, wishing you best of luck.